In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Crazy Slots Deepwoken. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Crazy Slots is a resonance that summons an arsenal of weapons. So as you can see, upon using Crazy Slots, you will see a bunch of weapons that pierce your enemies and any foes. So I'm gonna teach you how to use this. All that you have to do is press C. This will activate Crazy Slots immediately, activating its unique special skill. It is going to call forth a randomly chosen weapon each time that it is used, with enchantments and curses being transferred onto the summoned weapon. Each weapon scales with its respective stat, and it has a unique skill that can be used by reactivating the ability, so you can press C twice. If Crazy Slot is corrupted, the cooldown is going to be halved, so keep that in mind. It is going to be cut in two. It becomes much more likely to obtain a divine weapon of your highest stat investment, and the divine weapons will be colored purple instead of gold. When obtained, Crazy Slots will spend its points on the following stats: weight roll, weapon roll, weight plus length. So the more points are spent on a weapon, the more likely it is to be obtained when using the resonance along with its length, and the length of time rolled into a weapon can be between 30 seconds to 2 minutes 30, with differences of 15 seconds between variants, such as rolling 1 minute on a spear and 45 seconds on your dagger. So there are various different weapons that you can acquire, like the Divine Dagger, Divine Flintlock, Divine Longsword, Divine Spear, Divine Axe, and finally Divine Greatsword. So you can use it by pressing C and you will summon the arsenal of weapons. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Crazy Slots Deepwoken. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.